Today topic of lecture types of markets. Market means place of buying and selling, where is goods and services buy or sold. That place is market. Market means a place where commodities are buy and sold. It is called a market. The term market refers to the relationship between buyers and sellers to carry or transaction any commodity or services. It is called a market. Market means a place where commodities mean goods are buy and sold. It is called a market. The term market refers to the relationship between buyers and sellers to carry on transactions in any commodity or services. It is called a market. Market means relationship between buyers and sellers carrying on transactions in any goods or services. It is called a market. Markets are divided the different categories based on the geographically or area wise, based on the time period, based on the competition. Area or region wise, different types of markets, buying and selling of place or area. It is a regional or area wise market or state wise market or national market or the world market or local market. These all are examples of area wise or regional wise buying and selling places. It is called a regional or area wise markets. Next one is time based or period, particular period, buying and selling goods and services. It is called a based the time, short period market, a low period, days or weeks or months. That is a short period market. Long period or continually you running the buying and selling. That is a long period market. Next, last one is competition based markets, based on the competitors in the place of buying and selling. Decided the different types that all are as follows. Classification of markets. Perfect competition market, imperfect competition market. These all are basically divided the competition based markets. Perfect competition market and imperfect competition market. Perfect competition market is in this perfectly competition. More buyers, more sellers in this market. In this market, sells homogeneous products. Same one type of products. Price also same every category. Same category, same price. no variation. This may depend in this type of market: price, supply and demand. Not any one buyer or one seller decided the product price in this market. It is a perfectly competition market. Imperfect competition market. This is also not perfectly. This different type of products, not individually, not same type of products. This type of market you existing or enter, you fill some formalities, some restrictions. In this type of markets, different type of products it sells. It is a imperfect competition market, not more competition. All buyers, all sellers, suppliers. This also again divided the different types of imperfect competition markets. First one is monopoly, duopoly, oligopoly, monopolistic competition. These all are divided the imperfect competition markets as follows. First one is monopoly market. In this one type of the imperfect competition market. Monopoly means only one person, one frame, one product in this market, not more sellers or manufacturers, persons, only one supplier, one producer, one product, no competition, imperfect competition. In this type of market also, no competition, monopoly. This type of market also, pricing decided the manufacturer based the or product demand. More demand, the price also more. Low demand, that price also decided the low. It is a monopoly competition market. Next one is duopoly. Duo means two. In this type of market, two persons suppliers or manufacturers. Only two, not more. This type of market is duopoly. You decided the two persons or product price based on the demand. It is one of the imperfect competition market. Only two persons, no more. Oligopoly. This is also another type of imperfect competition market. In this also few members, small, you suppliers or producers or manufacturers, few type of products, not more. Thus he decided that person's you product price, not decide the users or buyers. Next one is monopolistic competition market. This is also more number of buyers and sellers. This different type of products, not same. Price also different rates, different quality, different size, different color, different brand. Individually, every product You decided the one, not other commanding. Number of more buyers or more sellers. Sellers also, every seller, you separate price, separate products, separate qualities, separate sizes. Purpose is same. Variation of the every seller, every producer product in this type of markets. This is a imperfect competition market. These all are imperfect competition markets. Monopoly, duopoly, oligopoly, monopolistic competition. Next, features of perfect competition market. Already we know the perfect competition markets. Perfect competition market is full competition perfectly. In this type of market also, more sellers, more number of buyers, all products also homogeneous, all every product price is same, no variation, same type of product, same rate. That type of market is a perfectly competition market. These some features or characteristics of perfectly competition market as follows. First one is large number of sellers. Large number of buyers. Homogeneous products. Free entry and exits of streams. Perfect knowledge of market conditions. Government non-intervention. Options of transport cost. These all are features or characteristics of perfect competition market. In this market, have large number of sellers, more number, not limit, sellers or manufacturers, product suppliers, more number. So this market is more competitive, perfectly more competition. In this type of market, have large number of sellers, big size sellers. That is one of the character. Next one is large number of buyers. Buyers, who is buyers? Purchase persons, users, consumers. This type of market have large number of buyers. Buyers also large. You in this type of market decided the our price products, buyers price taker. In this type of market also price decided, price taker, buyers. So more number of buyers have in this type of markets. Next one is homogeneous products. Homogeneous means same type of products. All market in the one type of products, not variation. For the example, rice market, that place also all rice. Onion market, this market also all onions, different varieties. Mirchi market, that market also all mirchi, etc. This type of market also same one type of products. Price also all category, same category, same price. First category అనుకోండి, for example, all first category items same one price, total market. Second category all products, total market is same rate, no variation, no difference. All total market, every category same rate. In this type of market, no variation of products, same one type of products you sales. It is a homogeneous products. Next one is free entry and exit of free. Any free in this type of market, any seller or manufacturer, any free enter the market free, no restrictions, no conditions, no fill the formalities before enter the market. Any supplier, any producer, any manufacturer, any frame, no registration before enter the market. Anytime you free, you interested, you willing, enter the market in this type of market. Same exit also, you not interested in this market, you sales your products, your goods, you exit. That time also not give the any person permission before exit, no formalities, fill the before exit in the market. Anytime you not interested, you drop, you exit the out the market. In this one of the character in this market, it is a pre-entry and exit of frames. Next one is perfect knowledge of market conditions. Perfect, full knowledge also required in this type of market. Suppliers in this type of market decided the price based the demand and based the supply of product. More demand, the price is change, price also more. Low demand, that time also price is change, price is decrease. Same supply also more available in the market, that day price is decrease. Supply is not more in the market, that day is price is more. Situationally change of the price, supply and demand. So more knowledge of required in this type of market. Marketing knowledge, observe all market 24 hours. So more require the knowledge. No knowledge not the survive the in this market. Up to date you collect the information, our product situation, price and supply, demand and price. Price ఏ విధంగా ఉంది, సప్లై ఏ విధంగా ఉంది, how to demand, how to price. Every time you collect the total information, every supplier, every frame in the market. So more require the knowledge. Perfect market. Next one is government non-intervention. In this type of market, not involve the government. No involvement. No give the permission before they enter the in the market. Any free, any supplier, any producer, any manufacturer, no permission, no registration. Anytime exit, not permit the government. This type of market not involve the government. Totally, perfectly in this market. No involvement. Next one is absence of transport cost. This type of market transport cost also no, very low. All products also in this market same rate, same one type of product. This all you supply one place, same one type of category products in this sales the market provides to take the one place all sellers. So transport cost also same, no variation. All purchase the our products one place, one area, same one type of product, same available place. That transport cost also same, no difference. So this type of market also no variation of price. All price also same. No additionally add the transport expenditures. All sellers you take the our products same place, same area, same location. So transport cost also same. In this type of market also no transport cost separately. Every seller. These all are features of perfect competition market. First one is large number of sellers, large number of buyers, homogeneous products, pre-entry and exit of frames, perfect knowledge of market conditions, government non-intervention, absence of transport cost. Today we know the what is market, types of markets, and perfect competitions, competition based markets, different types, perfect competition market, imperfect competition market. Imperfect competition markets also again divided the some categories: monopoly, duopoly market, oligopoly market, perfectly competition market, imperfectly competition market, and features of perfect competition market. Today class is over. Thank you.